Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Lumenate Explore and Relax app. But before that, I would like you to know that while you're waiting for my next video, scammers are still targeting you. That's why I put together this research system that you can use right away. Link in the description down below for you guys to check out. And with that out of the way, let's go to the review. And as you can see, we have it pulled up here on Google Play. And as you can see, they're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars with 5.3k reviews, and so far the reviews are actually pretty good. However, I would advise you to do some research about your health or how your body reacts to these types of relaxation apps, since as you can see here on Reddit, a lot of people have reported that they have been not diagnosed with any seizure disorder. However, after trying this app, they had a seizure. So as you can see, I am 47 years old. I used Lumenate for the first time. I'm not diagnosed with any seizure disorder. A few hours after using this app, I started to feel sick and had the worst headache of my life. Lost consciousness, woke up in the hospital, found out I had subarachnoid brain hemorrhage with a stroke around the hemorrhage, blah 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 blah. So, well, that's terrifying. So, beware of this Lumenate app. I used it and had a brief seizure. My back muscles spasmed and fractured for my vertebrae. That's really bad. A lot of people have been reporting that they also have bad reactions to this app. So please guys, I would advise caution using this app, since it may very well affect you badly. And that is it guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.